Somewhere in the sky, a nearby star may already be gone. But we won't find out until the light reaches us years from now. Light travels fast, but not instantaneously. In space, speed limits mean seeing the past, not the present. When we look at the stars, we're peering backward in time, witnessing ancient light on a cosmic delay. The light from our closest stellar neighbors can take decades, even centuries, to reach Earth. Imagine a star detonates in a brilliant supernova. The explosion happens, but we don't see it. Not yet. Because light carries the news, we'd stay in the dark until that final flash arrives decades later. In this way, the universe is a delayed broadcast. Broadcasts we didn't ask for, but never stop watching. And there's one star, not so far from Earth, that makes astronomers raise their eyes and hold their breath. Betelgeuse, a name that echoes like a warning from beyond. It is massive, unstable, and nearing the end. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, more than 700 times the size of our Sun, nearing its final breath. When red supergiants die, they don't go quietly. They end with one of the universe's greatest explosions, a supernova. And Betelgeuse? It's close enough that if it exploded, we'd see it blaze brighter than the moon. For weeks. But here's the twist. If Betelgeuse exploded today, the light wouldn't reach us for over 600 years. In other words, the explosion may have already happened. The universe just hasn't delivered the message yet. This isn't science fiction. It's the way our universe works. Reality delayed by light speed itself. No sentient being could change this delay. It's baked into the structure of space-time itself. So light becomes a cosmic historian, faithfully delivering updates long after the events have passed. It's like reading a letter from a friend who's already gone, written in photons, not words. In early 2020, astronomers noticed Betelgeuse dimming. Had it begun to die? For weeks, its brightness dropped, sparking rumors. Is the end near? Is the supernova imminent? The truth: it was not yet dying. The dimming came from dust it had ejected, temporarily blocking our view. But that close call shook us, because we had glimpsed the unsettling truth of cosmic time delays. Betelgeuse is unstable. That much we know. And it could go supernova at any time, from our perspective. But when it does, we'll just wake up one night and see a new blazing light in the sky. We'll know instantly, and yet it will be old news, centuries-old news, finally arriving. This paradox is everywhere. The sun itself, its light takes 8 minutes to reach us. If it vanished now, we'd bask in sunlight for 8 quiet minutes before darkness fell. Through this illusion, the universe hides its present behind layers of invisible time. Every star you see in the night sky could already be dead, or still shining. We may never know. The farther we look, the further back in time we go. Telescopes become time machines. James Webb, Hubble, and others let us see when galaxies were infants, billions of years ago. But nearby stars like Betelgeuse, they teach us something deeper about patience, uncertainty, and perception. Science tells us what happened, but the sky, always late, tells us when we see it. For all our technology, the universe reminds us, you are not looking out. You're looking back. Centuries from now, astronomers may witness a new light bloom in Orion and read a story already written. By then, we'll be history too. But maybe someone will remember that we once looked up and wondered. So tonight, when you see a star, ask yourself, what are you really looking at? Is it a distant sun? Or a lighthouse from a world already gone? Are we the ghosts in this cosmic theater? Or merely its stunned audience, watching the finale already finished? The sky above is not live. It's a memory, held in light, traveling across a cold and silent universe. And Betelgeuse, a ticking red giant, might already be gone, even as we still point at its light. But don't fear. Its supernova would not harm us, only astonish us. It would be one of the greatest sky shows in human memory, a rare, cosmic farewell. This is how the universe whispers, not in noise, but in light arriving late and shining bright. A supernova from Betelgeuse would cast shadows, disrupt radio, and shine brighter than all stars combined for days. And then it would fade, slowly, gently, like a final breath of something immense and ancient. The light would remain in our memory, and in photographs, forever frozen in time. We'd turn telescopes elsewhere, await the next delayed message from the stars, and above them all, the stars would keep shining, some alive, some ghosts, all with stories written in light. Tomorrow, Betelgeuse could explode, or perhaps it already has, and tomorrow is when we'll finally see it.